have another one for you. Another tiny little microcap stock that probably you've never heard of. Nobody's ever heard of this company, but it's got some serious potential. My previous video, Smart Building Stocks, covered 4 different companies that were taking commercial and infrastructure buildings and modernizing them, bringing them into the 21st century. And that research has led me to interviewing the management team of Legend Power Systems. Their stock has done incredibly well. I'm still kind of waiting for Tantalus Holdings, right? This is kind of a long play game while we wait for the revenue to increase. Control Technologies is off my list. I have no interest. But then Eddy Solutions. What does Eddy's do in the smart building space? They protect your property from water damage. Think about it. It's simple. Commercial, industrial, residential, we all need it. How many times have you gone downstairs and found that your basement is flooded and you had no idea? Think about the scale of how many buildings are out there that should be notified if there's a sewer backup. Eddy's helps you take control of water in your building, protecting your property against water damage with leak mitigation technology and live monitoring. Their entire pitch makes sense to me. Billions are lost each year due to water damage. $150,000 is your average commercial claim of water damage. Why do you need Eddy? Eddy offers a full-service water management platform that includes solutions for leak detection, condition monitoring, and water conservation. Well, that's great, right? Risk versus reward. The reward is this thing goes in every building in North America and they make a ton of money. So what's the risk? Now, before I look at their numbers today, do not forget that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm definitely not your financial advisor. This video is not financial advice. This is their quarterly financials, and there's a couple things here, right? Starting to see some improvement in revenue, starting to see some decline in expenses. Now, this is definitely not perfect by any means, right? Expenses are still significantly higher than revenue, so they are losing money. But when we're talking about looking for trends in microcap stocks, revenue is trending up. Green is up, red is down. Revenue is up. Operating income or loss, the green means the loss is actually getting lower. So revenue is going higher, expenses are going down, their operating loss is getting more manageable. Mostly, and this is a bit of the mic drop moment that really inspired me to create this video. July 10th, PCL Construction increases their investment in Eddy Smart Home Solutions. And yes, that is PCL Construction, the giant construction company that everybody should know about, right? What PCL says is their increased investment in Eddy underscores our belief in the critical importance of advanced leak protection technology. Water damage is a significant challenge on construction sites, and mitigating this risk is vital for project success. Eddy's innovative solutions align perfectly with our commitment to building excellent sustainability and protecting our sites. The company, your client who you're trying to sell your product to, and you're a tiny little microcap stock, likes your product, likes your service so much that they take their money and not only buy your product, they invest in your company. So that's quite the vote of confidence for Eddy Smart Home Solutions. On July 2nd, they raised $8 million in a private placement. Guess who participated? The CEO, other officers of the company, and of course, PCL Construction. I do like a company with a plan, and I do like a company that communicates well with investors, and it seems like that's really what they're trying to do here. They're talking about growth in their in-building devices. They have increased the number of in-building devices by 50% in the past year. They recognize they need to reduce expenses. A lot of companies have. They've significantly reduced their general and administrative expenses from $1.9 million to $700,000 in this quarter. So down $1.2 million. They're talking about debt extinguishment. So that's why they did this $8 million. They're going to extinguish their current debt amounting to $6.3 million. So is it perfect? No. Is it improved? Yes. They've significantly reduced their net loss this quarter, $472,000, which is much improved from $2 million last year. Lipstick on a pig, or is this company making significant changes and trending in the right direction? So this is a tiny company. Nobody's following them, nobody's watching them, nobody's covering them. Yes, they have problems. There are some red flags. That's the risk of being in the microcap space. You're looking for product market fit. You're looking for the clients or the customers that can drive your revenue up, build your earnings, and that will bring you cash and success in the stock market. That's not always a perfectly straight line. So typically what I'm looking for is revenue trending up? Are the earnings trending up or improved Up doesn't necessarily mean positive yet in Eddie's case, but they are improving. Is cash trending up? Is return on invested capital trending up? I don't know. Didn't look for that one. Is valuation trending up? Investing is not a snapshot in time. It is analyzing historical trends, which is improvement for Eddie's Home Solutions, and predicting future ones. Where can this company go with PCL as a backing partner? I am definitely interested in Eddie's Smart Home Solutions. I will continue my research on this company in my Patreon. The link for that Patreon is down below in the pinned comment, as well as discussing all these other fantastic stocks. And what do you think? Is this company, is this stock just too much risk for you? Are the numbers too ugly? Or do you agree with me? Do you see improvement? Do you see some potential here? Do you see a tiny little company going in the right direction? Let me know what you think. I can't wait to hear from you. You've been watching Common Sense Investing. Thank you for your time.